Good day, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Seniors. With over 200 videos uploaded last year, 2 shows a week, and a whole bunch of Tech for Senior productions this year, it can sometimes be hard to find what you're looking for. So let me explain how to do this. It's going to be really simple. Quickly, if you remember the routine, if you like this video, please click the like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Let's get on with the show. All right, so let's talk about Tech for Senior. We have 3 different sections. We, of course, have our Monday show, which is produced through Zoom. This is a weekly show. It's 1 hour. It starts at 9 o'clock Pacific time and runs with a question and answer at the end. The second show we produce is called Tech for Senior Live. This is not a Zoom broadcast. This is a StreamYard broadcast that is broadcasting directly to Facebook and to YouTube. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But this is a live production, as the Monday show is, but we're doing this through a different medium called StreamYard, not Zoom. And of course, the third area is all the videos we produce through the year, Tech for Senior Productions, and we produce a lot of videos. So how do you find these? How do you organize them? And where the heck do we go with this? All right, let's look at this diagram here. The first thing you see is our Tech for Senior show on Monday. This is broadcast on Zoom. All of you come to the meeting, and for the first 100 of you, you can get into the show. Because of our limits on that, we also broadcast this directly to YouTube. And this is to our YouTube channel, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But this is a live recording, but this does not have the music or the question and answer, but this is broadcast directly to YouTube. The second thing that happens, though, on Monday is we record it to the cloud. So you'll see that we have the recording. It records to the cloud the whole meeting, including the music segment and Q&A. From the cloud, I then take the video and download it, and I edit it. I make us look real good. I take out all the mistakes and clean it all up, and then I publish it to YouTube as well. And this is the edited version, and I usually have this done on the same day around 4 p.m. So there are 2 versions of the Tech for Senior Monday show on YouTube. There is, of course, the unedited version and the edited version. So you'll have a choice of 2. Now, in practicality, what most people do is there's about 60 people that watch the live recording, the unedited one. And I suspect they probably watch it later on in the day prior to me uploading the edited version. We have about 120 people a week that watch the edited version. I also publish the edited version to our Facebook page. So you can see it on Facebook or you can see it on YouTube. So our Tech for Senior Monday show has 2 editions. There's the edited version, which is, of course, on YouTube and Facebook, and then there is the unedited version, which is on YouTube as well. Now, our Thursday show is broadcast out differently. This is through StreamYard. There's no Zoom meeting ID number required. We use software that broadcasts direct to Facebook and to YouTube. Simultaneously, it's exactly the same recording, and it's not edited. Sort of what you see is what you get, and that's what we do on Thursday morning. So how do you find our YouTube channel? I get lots of questions about, well, yes, I'd like to watch your Thursday show, but how do I find it? Well, if you look down here in the bottom, you'll see the URL or the website that is our YouTube channel. So I want you to copy that down. Now, as we move, sorry, I'm just having some fun with you there. Obviously, nobody wants to copy that down. That is a big chunk of numbers. So what you want to do is, where can you find that? Well, the first thing you're going to look at is you're going to look to the left and you'll see our web page. And on our web page, you'll see the live red red cloud there, and this says click here to connect with our live stream, and this will take you directly to our YouTube channel. So this is on our website. If you look over to the right in our newsletter, you will see this is the newsletter that we publish twice a week. It comes out on Tuesday and Saturday. So if you haven't already subscribed to that, please do so. It has all the links in it. And again, you will see the red cloud there, and it says live stream, and there will be a link to the show. So two sites that you absolutely need to know where they are is our Tech for Senior site and Huey's site. Both these sites, Huey and I spend a huge amount of time making sure the information is timely, up to date, and easy to find. So you need to bookmark both these sites to make sure that you have those easily accessible. Now the Tech for Senior website, you must use the www. So it needs to be www.techforsenior.com. Bookmark that so you make sure, because that's the clue and that's where all the links are. Now Huey has a great website. It has a tremendous amount of information, and you can get there by simply typing huey.net. So make sure you bookmark both those sites. All right, when you get to our YouTube channel, what will you see? Well, this is an example of what you'll see on the left-hand side. This is our YouTube channel. The first thing I want you to see is there is Tech for Senior Live, upcoming live stream. Ooh, that's interesting. That's coming up this Thursday. So yes, it is. It's on there. It's booked. You can set a reminder so that your YouTube will remind you that, in fact, we are going to be live. Now, what you will not see is the Tech for Senior Monday episode on our YouTube channel. This comes on directly when I turn it on Monday morning about 10 to 9. So if you want to watch our YouTube, our Monday channel on YouTube, what you need to do is just wait. About 10 to 9, you'll see it magically, boom, there will be a screen appear and you'll be able to watch our Monday show. But it will not come up as an upcoming live stream. That's only on the Thursday show. Now over on the right, you'll see, of course, we broadcast. Remember I said we broadcast our Thursday show to Facebook as well. And if you look there, you'll see an upcoming live event, which is quite easy to see. And then you will, when we start to broadcast, it will show up in the screen. So this is an easy way. You can watch our Thursday show either on YouTube or on Facebook. Now, I'm going to even make it simpler for you. We're going to organize all the stuff for you into what we call playlists. Super simple, and there's only 3 lists that you'll ever need to know. So let me show you how to do this. All right, here are the 3 playlists. There is, first of all, the playlist for Tech for Senior. These are all just around 60 episodes that are there for you, and these are all in a list. The second list is those for Tech for Senior Live. We don't have as many on Tech for Senior Live, but they are all in a list. So you can find them. And then there are all the other productions that we do throughout the year, learning Chromebooks. A lot of the other productions that we do are all in a list, and we call this TFS Productions. Now you can, these are the websites of these lists, and you could simply copy these sites, but again, who wants to copy all those numbers? So where do you find those playlists? Well, the playlists are found in 2 locations. First of all, you're going to see them in our newsletter. You'll see in our meeting info area of our newsletter, which you should subscribe to, you will see all the links there. You'll find the three playlists right there, and you just have to click those and bookmark them. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. The second area not only is the newsletter, but you are going to find it on our website. And if you go up to the top of our website and see the Tech for Seniors box there, click that and you will come up with this blue logo here, and you'll see the 3 links there. And you'll see Tech for Senior Monday, you'll see Tech for Senior Live and Tech for Senior Productions. I'm going to show you how that works now, and you can click those and that will load the playlist. So let me show you how that's done. All right, let me show you how to bookmark the Tech for Senior live shows. Let's go to our website and we're going to look up at the top and click on the Tech for Senior button. And this is going to bring us to this page. And let's scroll down and you're going to see all our playlists here. Playlists for Tech for Senior, and I've said these are all clickable links, so please bookmark them. Let's go down to the second one. This is called Tech for Senior Live. Let's click on this. This brings up all our Tech for Senior Live episodes. Now, if we come up and look at the top, you will see this long URL I've been talking about. You don't want to be copying that out, so come over here and simply bookmark it. Now I'm going to save this bookmark to the bookmark bar, which is just underneath the URL. We're going to click Done. And then when we come back now, you will see, if we look up here, you will see the Tech for Seniors Live button that we have now bookmarked. But it's taking up a lot of real estate. So let's edit this. Right click, click Edit, and we're going to rename this. We're going to rename it to TFS-L for Live, Tech for Senior Live, and I'm going to save it. Now when we come back up here on our bookmark bar, you will see that we have this is Learning Chromebooks, but as we come over here, you will now see Tech for Senior Live. It doesn't take up as much real estate. Click the button, and here we have all our episodes that will be updated automatically. So now you've got the playlist bookmarked. Everything is easily found. Well, it even gets better thanks to Ellen Farnham. Thank you, Ellen. Ellen has taken all the episodes of Tech for Senior. She's taken them and she's indexed them all into a spreadsheet which makes all the information in each show searchable. And you can find that now again on our website. Under the same location, you'll see at the bottom here it says Tech for Senior Index. And when you click that, you're going to come to a folder. This is actually on Google Drive, and you'll see two files here. One is a XLS spreadsheet, which has all the shows and the content in a spreadsheet for you, which you can download and use as you wish. Should you want it as a PDF file, we've also created it as a PDF. And Ellen is going to update this on a weekly basis so that if you want to search and have more searchable content in our shows, then this is a way in which you can find specific things that we've talked about in the past episodes. Thank you, Ellen, so much for doing this. So I hope that's made it easier for you. I hope you'll be able to easily move between our Monday and Thursday shows and understand the difference between a live streaming with StreamYard and a Zoom meeting, which we're doing on Mondays. Have a great day. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Seniors.